Let's go. Why didn't we go? No. Do I have to rejoin? Why did you not join? I did join. I did. I'm registered. I wasn't. Oh, my computer was lagging so much. My computer's so lagging. Dude, stop! I forgot. Rejoin. You have to rejoin. Yeah, I'm lagging so much because I opened. Dude, I didn't leave it on purpose. The computer uploads Roblox by itself. I have to do it again. It's not letting me open now. So stop, please. Okay. You have to reset. Did you? Oh my God. I joined you. You already started the game. Okay, get out of it. I need a code. Oh my God. Okay, I joined. It's not lagging anymore. It's not lagging. Hi. I'm the one that I'm the one who says 401. Oh, stop moving. Oh, I see you. You see the watch? You look like that's so creepy. You screech. No, it's creepy. It's one of the fools. It's one of the we have to go to the door. I didn't get to choose my card if I'm not. Yes, no? Yeah? Oh, big team. Oh, no, I don't. It's for free. Because you only bought it. No, I didn't buy it. It's you have to do it with coins. I'm the guard. You see the guard, John? You see? Well, I'm one of them. You know that? I'm one of them. Yes, I am. Wait, see, that's me. You saw that walking? I'm a god. Okay. Honeycomb. Yeah, I love honeycomb. Look at you see this guard jumping? Yes, I am. You see the guard? You see the guard? You see this? You see this guy next to you? See this? See this guy? Right here? I'm him. I don't need to take a photo. Why are you shooting? I'm shooting because I don't care. You see the guard? I'm going to shoot you first. I just shot her. This guy's moving. I made a mistake. How is he moving? I've played this game before too, don't know. say no.
I didn't know what. I don't know.
Oh no, why did you kill them? Innocent people!
U.S. States.
I don't care. I don't care.
Stop! Stop fighting! I don't want to die!
You will be one of them. You will be one of them.
I'm gonna die!
You will be one of them. You will one. You will be one of them.
I'm the cutest guy in America. I'm the cutest guy in America. I'm the cutest guy in America.
Yeah, if I even kill your teammates, are you gonna be chill? If I kill you?
Yeah.
Even if I kill you?
Yeah.
What? How are you gonna be chill if you're already dead? How are you gonna have a body to be chill?
My body will be chill. And my ghost will be chill.
Where are you?